Hey guys, so this is a very quick vlog and I just want to show you how Manila looks like. It's day 5 of the lockdown or the enhanced community quarantine. So most of the roads are empty, as you can see. I'll be taking you with me in this ride and you can see sobrang luwag ng mga roads. It's day 5 of community quarantine and I'm just popping by at my office to get some stuff that I need to sustain the community quarantine. So kukuha lang ako ng stuff. I'm doing lang simple errands before I go back home and continue the community quarantine. This is not being pasaway, I'm just getting my stuff. So I got everything that I have to get from my office and I'm on the way now to feed the cats, the cats of Ortigas. Ayan, so we are at Robinson's Galleria and Chris went out. He is gonna leave kibbles for the cats of Ortigas. I had to be here para bantayan yung car kasi naka-hazard lang kami, walang parking. And nandun siya, not sure if you can see him but yan, nandun siya. Yan. He's leaving dry food for the cats here. We saw cats of Ortigas's call for help na kailangan nila ng magpapakain sa mga cats kasi nga everybody's on quarantine. The normal people who would feed the cats aren't around at this time. They're not living here. So we volunteered na kami na lang mag-iiwan ng food. Ayan, nandun siya. So after that, not sure kung meron pa kaming ibang spot na iiwanan. I think there are 3 or 4 spots. I left a note on my stories in case someone else is near and can leave cat food for the cats of Ortigas. So I'll put the poster here just in case you guys want to help. Marami pang araw for the entire community quarantine that you can help. There are a lot of other initiatives also and drives that you can also participate. So I hope you guys be involved. If you can, if you are running errands, lalabas na rin kayo. It doesn't hurt to go out of your way, especially if you have your own car naman, to help.
Ano bago? Baba?
Baba, sir! My favorite. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!